thousand, and I think there still are a couple of thousand refugees that are around that hospital trying to take shelter. The idea
Who's my happy girl?
clearing them out, you know, like leave.
Yeah, you happy bird, Lola?
They've had a problem with Hamas operatives.
Oh yeah, happy girl.
Wearing scrubs and medical cloths and things
Are
like
we?
that in the Shiva hospital, and I haven't heard what the disposition is of those guys and what they've done with them. Or
Pretty bird.
figure that out. But
Pretty bird. Can you say pretty bird? There you go, good girl.
The hospital itself.
Yeah, you happy girl?
Planted by Israel.
Happy bird.
So, you know, I guess that's possible, but I wouldn't say it's likely.
It's a happy bird.
Israel doesn't need to be planting any weapons in there. There's plenty of damning
Can you say,
that Hamas has
hello, Lola?
and the other hospitals in Gaza
Say hello, Lola.
quite some time. And because of that, they don't have any credibility when it comes to the things that they accuse.
Say, all gods are equal.
I mean, forget about the fact that, no, don't forget about it, but I mean, aside from the fact that they are, you know, still holding 240-something hostages.
You're so cute.
And are
Yeah.
using civilians.
I love you.
And that there's footage of Hamas operatives armed in their military gear running around.
Aw, thank you, Lola. That's nice.
But
Aw,
the media was coming
happy
out
girl. Aw, look at you. My pretty girl. Yeah, I love you, Lola. Yeah, pretty bird.
Well, that is slowly being dispelled as we speak. Israel is putting out more and more footage of tunnels that are being found in and around the Shiva hospital. And some news outlets have even said, well, yeah, there's tunnels, but there's no proof that they're being used as the headquarters. That's because Israel is not going into those tunnels just yet. It is super, super dangerous.